Yo, alright, trade recap for 10/21/2025 of Monday? No, wait, Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday, I haven't done a video in a while, I think since last Thursday, but yesterday I took a dumb trade. Yeah, it was let me kind of review it. Where was it? Yeah. But my bias was bullish yesterday, but we had this draw on liquidity that we swept. Where is it? I think it was, yeah, we had it on 1 hour here. Then I think we swept, yeah, previous day, last week's high, previous week high. Yeah. So yeah, that was my draw. Then I ended up taking this version, got cooked on it because I took the 2-minute here. Let me kind of run y'all down. Took the 2-minute here, but I failed to notice that we were trading inside a 4-minute, which we didn't invert. So that's essentially why it didn't work, and then we just ended up running higher. Plus, we were all super bullish as well. My bias was bullish. It's just I thought we could catch a little retracement trade to there was like an unfilled 1 hour here, I think right here, to then target higher. But yeah, I got cooked on that. I did not take it on my funders though because yesterday a bunch of the internet stuff was down. I only took it on my other account. But yeah, we got cooked on it. But mistakes for that trade was failed to notice the 4-minute, and overall higher time frame bias was just bullshit. And honestly, shouldn't have even been caring too much about the draw because we swept that liquidity, which was all the way down here, and we just pushed past those highs. So, but today I kind of did overtrade. I'm not gonna lie. I took 4 trades, but my bias was still there. So coming into the day, I low-key woke up pretty late. Woke up around 8:30. I was like, damn. But let me kind of run y'all down my higher time frame levels, key levels. So I had this unfilled 4-hour fair value gap. Had these highs marked out. I had this 4-hour bearish fair value gap that we were trading out of, and then I think that's it. 1 hour had these highs marked out, this unfilled 1 hour marked out, and I had equilibrium of the 4-hour range, which was right here. We hit it to the tick down here, or kind of missed it. Yeah, I think we missed it. Barely missed it by a down near wick. Yeah, by a tick. Okay. So yeah, I woke up pretty late. And what I saw, I wanted to I was long. Higher time frame was bearish. Bullish. Higher time frame was bullish because one, inverted this 4-hour finally, and then we were super close to all-time highs. We had a little pullback, and then we were trading inside this 4-hour, which I think we ended up, we barely inversed, but that doesn't matter. So we were trading inside this 4-hour, so I was pretty bullish. I just wanted to pull back to this unfilled 1 hour, I wanted to pull back to this unfilled 4-hour to then take longs, or I was gonna try to catch a short to that 4-hour because we were delivering out of this 4-hour. Actually, no. Yeah, we're delivering out of this 4-hour to then target this unfilled 4-hour. So so market opens and we just kind of start hesitating down, and then I was trying to catch shorts to this unfilled 4-hour. Now this was kind of tricky because this was okay, this was my first trade. Yeah, okay, so I actually had another trade here. So I took this trade, got break even, but I took, yeah, so okay, so yeah, we put in this 5-minute condition, and we hadn't rebounded to the 4-hour. So I was like, okay, we could take a 5-minute continuation to target them for 4-hour. So that's what I did. We pulled back to the 5-minute, put in an internal SMT with ES. We go, where is it? Yeah, right here. So 850, 853, 850, 853, boom. And honestly, when that SMT got put in, I probably should have just got in, and then that would have been, because theoretically we should not go low. And then I honestly, I would have still gotten break even because target was this unfit 4 hour. But that probably should have been entry because there was no entry outside of it. But I ended up taking the 2 minute. So I took the 2 minute, which was this. I know Phil was kind of crazy. I mean, Phil was kind of wicked. 2 minute. I low-key had stops like I think above here. Yeah, I was low-key at negative R, but if we want to target, I could have targeted unfill 15, but it was just unlikely. So I entered right here and I went break even super quick, which was a swing low. Look what ended up happening. So boom, got break even, and then there was this 2 minute kind of continuation down to, because I was so confident in this draw, but we actually, yeah. So we ended up taking this. We ended up touching the 4 hour on the big NQ, the NQ1, but not on MNQ. So yeah, like the first time we barely, where is it? Hold on. Yeah, so the first time we barely wicked it, which was at 8:56. We wicked it, and then we started, kind of reversing the 4 hour. So that was at 8:56, and we hit that right. Yeah, so we hit it right here. So we hit the 4 hour on the larger NQ, and that's why we started reversing up. So, and then I took another short off of, so we pulled back to, I think, yeah, the 2 minute, and then I took this 1 minute inversion, this, I'm pretty sure, 1 minute, and I went break even like right here. Break even, got stopped. I was okay, we're probably going to start reversing off the 4 hour, since we did technically hit it on the bigger, the NQ1. So I started looking for longs. Well, actually, no, I lied. So I was like, we might shift, the momentum now since we hit the 4 hour. We might start, I guess, that we fill the 4 hour technically. But then I still like, cause look at just all this LR we built with this, with MNQ, and then we started reversing. But then I was still confident that we were gonna take out all this low resistance liquidity and fill the 4 hour on the MNQ, because the other NQ, as y'all saw, it barely tapped it. So I was like, nah, I at least wants to come down one more time. So I was kind of neutral at this time. Like, we would have gotten displacement from this 15 minute. Like, if we would have closed above the 15 minute, like, I would have been bullish. But that was low-key my condition. So let me show you what I saw. So I kind of gotta clean this up a bit. Or I mean, this is, I think I'm for 15. So I kind of already have it marked out, but there's that tiny 15 minute right here. So this is what I saw. So we tap into that 15 minute and it hadn't closed yet, so technically we're still respecting it, and it didn't close till 9:30. So boom, we tap into it, and then we put in SMT, huge SMT with these highs. So these are 7:30 highs on Tuesday. NQ has not took them, ES took them, which was, no, I lied, where was it? Yeah, boom, SMT higher high with 922, higher low 920. So boom, SMT, get an SMT, type into 15 minute for a rally gap. Now I just need my entry. Now it was kind of tricky. Like, I think I got in off this 1 minute. I took a 30-second entry. So this was my entry. Yeah, this is my entry. I know it says I got the fill later, but that was my entry. Fill was kind of got a little, scuffed, but took the 30-second because I wanted to go break even pretty quick at the like 2-minute. Yeah, because there was low-key, like, yes, I know I should have gone break even at this 2-minute or that. Yeah, actually no, like you could have even entered off the 2-minute inversion, so it was valid. But I was just confident that we were gonna deliver to that unfilled 1 hour, unfilled 4 hour, and all this low resistance liquidity. So I got in off the 30-second inversion, which was right here, boom, and then I targeted this unfilled 4 hour, which is right here, but I can't mark it on Top Step. But boom, entered off 30-second SMT, 15-minute, reject on 15-minute for rally gap. We have a lot of reason to go lower, which is low resistance liquidity and an unfilled 4 hour that we didn't tag on M&Q. So boom, took that trade. I was like, okay, and right now I'm only risking one M&Q, one micro, because I'm slowly trying to build this account back up. So right now it's like at what the heck? Now it's like at 629. And then I did end up taking the L and had to reactivate my other funded because I accidentally blew it. And I tried to appeal it with them, but they're like, unfortunately we can't do anything. They weren't gonna give me back my funded, even though like, yeah, it was my fault, I should have checked, but they didn't want to get back to me, so I took the L and just reactivated for like that fee. So but right now we're only trading one M&Q, just to slowly build my balance up. Once I build it back up to 1,000, then we'll probably move up to 2 M&Q and risk like 200. Yeah, we'll probably risk like 150. Right now I'm risking 30 light size. But yeah, actually I added, so I went in one M&Q, and I know like I said I was only risking one, but because like this was, I pretty much top ticked this, and I got in pretty at the top, so I was only risking like 30 bucks. So I added another con and I was risking 60 bucks to make like 240. So it was like crazy, 1 to 4 hour. So boom, got that short, and now my higher time frame bias trade was coming into play. So boom, we tagged that 4 hour, and then I was like, this 1-minute version was looking pretty good, but honestly I wanted a resweep because it's the first leg that trades into the 4 hour, and usually like, I don't know, I'd rather be more confident with the resweep, which you got. Boom, got the 1-minute inversion. Yes, the 1-minute inversion was kind of tricky because we rejected it many times, but I was just confident in the draw. Entered here, and then went break even, I think right here at this unfilled, and then we get in break even. I was like, damn, alright. Actually, so on my one account with the 600 balance, I locked out because it hit my max trade day. The other one I still took the trade, so I got break even. Then this 5-minute continuation got into play, so we had a 5-minute for rally gap, 1-minute inversion, which was right here. I entered in again. Stops were low-key kind of wicked to target. I think I was just gonna target this 101, but yeah, but low-key you could just target it until ES took those highs, so it would've been better. But I actually went break even right here. I went break even really quick because it's a swing high, and like I mostly went break even because I knew if I were to lose this trade I would have been mad because I already hit a win for the day and I should just hop off. But I was confident in this draw that would go higher, and look, we ended up going higher. But I went break even, got stopped at break even, then we ended up playing out, and then we had an SMT with these highs, with these highs on NQ, with ES, and then we ended up like dumping. But yeah, I kind of low-key, I took one trade, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn, I took 5 trades today. I low-key over traded, but most of them were break even. This one was break even. This one was break even. This one hit. This one break even. This one break even. This one I honestly probably should have held a little higher, because it was just pretty obvious we were gonna go higher from this, and I went break even pretty quick. But I could have held it honestly. But I took like 5 trades, but I was up on the day. I know I haven't recapped in a while, but I think Friday I don't really want a loss, but today pretty solid day. Just gonna try to build this account back up, and once we get to 1,000 balance, move up to risking 2 cons, and then I kind of fluctuate my size. So like I explained to y'all earlier, since I kind of top ticked this, I added another con because I was gonna risk like my same amount of risk, but which I originally used, but it was double. You know what I mean? Like I usually risk around 60 through to 100 bucks. I was only risking 30, so I added another con to make more and risk less and risk the same amount. And we ended up hitting the 4 hour to the tick. But yeah, banger trade. That was a really awesome trade. And this trade, I just got unlucky, break even. But yeah, that's what the trades for the day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.